Hello, Grounds. Nice to meet you. Oh man, yeah. Look at these things. Oh, I like this one. That's pretty. That is a pretty car. Look at that thing. That thing is beautiful. SS396. Nice.
You get over to the gazebo by 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock, make sure you get through the gazebo.
Look at these trucks.
It is. It's after 1. All right, that was there. He's late on registration.
Look at this thing. Look at that.
They're going to finish judging and tally everything up. And then we'll be doing
That thing is pretty. Goodness.
Like I said, next month.
Hey, look, I didn't even see this exhaust right here. Look at this. And that's awesome.
What they say is my first time going, but what they say, they shut down the entire city down there. It's a nice size show.
There it is.
There's Fort Monroe.
The DeLorean.
Turn out in a good number down there for them.
Oh,
Also,
that's so cool.
Loganville Cruiser starting up.
This is really cool.
Saturday, April through September, down there at the Napa Auto Parts in Loganville. And also, like I said, don't forget, April 23rd is the Take the Blue Benefit Show, held by American Street Riders. It's going to be at Papa Tat's Country Kitchen, right there in Buford. Restrooms are around back.
Oh look, hey, we're not gonna ignore the Batmobile. We're gonna check that in a minute.
Library and the tennis courts are over.
Oh man, this is so cool.
Either one, you'll find restrooms. So thank y'all for coming, and we'll be doing trophies here just in a little bit.
I know y'all ain't gonna mess around with this thing now. Yeah, that sucker's beautiful.
Georgia Brown down the little Let me tell you about the gal from me. I said you ain't seen nothing till you see. Papa won't stop listening. Papa won't stop.
Hello, motorcyclist.
So maybe it is coming. I've seen photographs.
Oh yeah. I like the paint job on this though. I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up, but that sucker is nice. Hey. That is awesome. Ooh. Unmolested. That's what we're talking about right there. Nice. Got some really cool toys out here, man. Look at this thing. 1931 Cadillac. Oh man, that's nice. That's nice. Beautiful car. It's a beautiful car. Look at that thing. Look at the rims. That's nice. Yo, this is pretty legit though. No lie. These cars are great. Look at this thing though. Look at this Maserati. Oh my goodness. Look at this Maserati. Look at that back end. That duckbill looking clean. That duckbill looking clean. Clean, clean, clean. That duckbill. Get that flank just right. Cool. Oh, there's a lot more cars in than I thought. We got some cars tucked back there. I have no idea what this thing is, but that is awesome. Nice. Oh man, look at this. Like a kid at a candy store, bro. It's crazy. Ooh, yeah, old school right here. I used to want one of these so bad. And that's a lot of nice cars out here, man. Oops, I'm totally photo bombing that guy. Sorry about that. Look at this little. This is a Mini Cooper. Nice. Look at this slam thing. Oh man, that's beautiful work. Yo, that's crazy. Look at all that. That's gotta be on air rides. Look at that thing. That's cool. That's cool. Let's go check out the other stuff. More SS's back here. Nice. Oh man, that Bel Air, bro. This must be the truck division. Ooh. Of course they had to bring out the bull. They had to bring the bull out. Nice. Look at that thing. That is sweet. Look at all that carbon back there. Look at that engine. Nice. That cockpit is tiny. That's cool. Hey, we get some bug love too though. We get some bug love. That's cool. That's old school right there. I like that. Right, check it. his seats. That's a nice touch. Nice. Ooh, that blacked out, bro. Yep, nice. What is this thing? 1992 Panaz Roadster. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, there's a really nice rides out here today. I love all the modern stuff too, but sometimes this is where it's at though. I ain't gonna lie. These things are beautiful, man. 69 SS right here. Is that Chevelle? 454. Nice. Dude, he put a 454 in here. Oh, it is a Chevelle. Cool. And I ran by it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's nice clipping.
Oh.
We're not gonna skip out on this now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is, look at this. Look at this bug. Check it, check it. That's crazy. Yeah, that is cool. That is cool. Look at that. Yeah, that's cool. The Pink Panther up in here. I got the Pink Panther. Vietnam vet. We appreciate you. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, clean. Like I said, I love the more modern stuff too, but I mean these classics here, these things are beautiful. That's some awesome stuff. All right. Now we're gonna get going on the ride. That's a good little stop. That's fun coming in here to see all these cars. Some of the classics. I don't know if these are all local cars or not. I don't think they are. I don't know if they're owned by individuals. It looks like a lot of them may be owned by individuals. Maybe I saw a couple of shop cars too, but nonetheless though, man, that thing's legit. That's a good little show. I work tonight, so I was like, I have to take advantage of these days because I just seems like I be running out of days, fam. I don't know why. I just be running out of days. We're gonna get up out of here. Go enjoy some more of this sun and the weather. Oh yeah. Later, Grimes. Done with the car show. The car show is that way. I'm gonna go take a ride for a little bit and then gonna be back at work, so gonna go ride, cool off because it is hot standing here. I freaking I was talking to you and then when we got off, I let the clutch go out too fast.
Yeah, did you roll?
Yeah.
You fell down?
Oh no! I was good. No, yeah, I was good. I just released the clutch too fast without giving it enough gas.
Stalled out.
Yeah, I stalled out. Yeah.
What size is that?
It's a 896.
Oh, that's big enough.
Yeah, that's an 896. This particular year they bumped it up. The first gen and second gen, it was about like 846 or something like that.
I like it.
Yeah, and then this particular year model, they bumped it up to 890.
Is it a Yamaha?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, it's the MT09 SP.
I've never seen it. I don't think I've seen it yet.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's not bad.
We'll go across the dam.
I gotta get different gloves. These are winter gloves. They work good when it's cool. It was a little cooler earlier, so I put them on. I'm like,
Yeah.
and they're just to the point where they're a little too much.
Yeah.
That's one thing I want is a damn gas gauge.
Oh yeah.
I want one.
Right, met this guy with a Honda, looking really good. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, right into this really cool guy on a Honda. That we're complete strangers, but we know each other now, which is really cool. Which is what I'm talking about earlier or before about the riding community. Just random people that you meet and then kind of develop a common ground with motorcycles, and then you go from there. So really cool guy. He's riding behind me. All right, thank you guys for riding along with me today. Again, out here on the MT09 SP, just having loads of fun and getting around to see a car show, meeting new people, riding out to Lake Lanier. But thank you again for riding with me. Thank you again for sitting around and viewing the video. And we'll see you guys on the next one.